Is Tesla a tech company? Tesla builds electric vehicles, but it also designs its own AI chips, runs a supercomputer, and pushes software updates to its cars. Here's what most people don't realize. Tesla designs the brains behind its full self-driving system, but doesn't build them itself. Tesla uses what's called a fabless model. That means Tesla creates the design of the chip, but the physical manufacturing is outsourced. The company that actually builds Tesla's chips is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the same company that makes chips for Apple and NVIDIA. Back in 2016, Tesla stopped using NVIDIA hardware and began designing its own full self-driving chip. By 2019, it launched Hardware 3, capable of handling 144 trillion operations per second. A newer version, Hardware 4, reportedly doubled that performance. These chips are made using 4 nanometer and 5 nanometer process nodes. The smaller the number, the more advanced the chip. It allows more computing power in a smaller space, just like how smartphones became more powerful without getting bigger. In 2023, TSMC began producing these next-gen Tesla chips, with orders valued at around $4 billion per year. Tesla also designed the chip for its Dojo supercomputer, used to train its AI for self-driving. That chip, called D1, was built using a 7-nanometer process. Why not just build the chips in-house? Because building a semiconductor factory can cost between $10 to $20 billion. TSMC's Arizona fab alone cost over $11 billion. Tesla avoids that by focusing on what it does best, designing powerful chips and software, and leaving the manufacturing to industry leaders like TSMC. Tesla also works with other suppliers like Broadcom, Texas Instruments, ST Microelectronics, and ON Semiconductor. During the global chip shortage in 2021, Tesla even rewrote its software to use alternative chips, showing how flexible its system architecture really is. So if you're wondering whether Tesla is really a tech company, just think about what it's actually building. They're designing their own AI chips, literally creating the brains behind their cars. They've built a supercomputer to train their self-driving system using real-world driving footage. And the software, it controls everything, from how the car drives to how it updates overnight while you sleep. That's not just car manufacturing. That's tech, through and through. Tesla doesn't just make cars, it builds the technology that drives them. And that's what makes it more than just an automaker. Follow and subscribe for more. Level Fields, Elite Investing, Effortless AI.